Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to actually insert a PDF file on the Excel application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Excel application if you already have it on your PC. Of course, if you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you will need to go and download it through Microsoft Store or whatever browser you're using. And of course, the download steps will be pretty simple because you must have been downloaded something on your PC before, and it will be the same. And once you actually download it, you will need to open it up. And of course, if you even have it, just go and open it up. Here you would like to actually log into your account if it's your first time, or even create your account if you don't have one. And make sure you'll not be able to use those applications, those office applications, if you are not if you don't have an active account. So make sure to have that. And here you, once you do that, you will have this as your home screen or main screen. You may have it as with white. I have just dark mode on. And of course, here on you can start a new blank document or a blank workbook, or just choose some of their templates, or you can just go and open some of your documents if you have here. As you can see, you can just go and look for it and open it. And for me, I'm just going to open a blank workbook. So what we said is we would like to insert a PDF file on the Excel. So of course, you can just go and open your files. And of course, let me just get a spreadsheet as a PDF file. We can just go here, open our browser really fast. Once we opened it, we can just go here and click at and type spreadsheets. Click at this link, of course, sign in. Let me just change, oh sorry, not this one. Let me just change the account and get this spreadsheet here, of course a blank one. You can just go and type here whatever. We're not going to care about this. Click at share. Of course, I can save it as test. Click at save. And now, of course, you can actually copy the link of it or share it to somebody here. Of course, you can click at done. You can click here. Of course, you can start a meeting if you want. But we don't care about this. We'd like to go back now. Okay, just leave. And as you can see, that will be it. We can actually download it now if we go to our drive. So of course, now I'm just going to do all the boring steps, the steps of getting this spreadsheet as a PDF, and I'm coming back to you. So I get it now. I got it now. I will have to go here and click at a new tab. Now convert PDF into Excel. Click at OK. Here we're gonna choose this. Select the PDF file. I have it here in my document. Click one. And now convert. As you can see, I'll be able to download it. Of course, just save it in documents as well. And you can just Excel doc. Click at OK. Now we can just quit this. And here on our Excel, we can just go click at File, Open. Go to this PC. Of course, just look for whatever wherever you download it. And as you can see, here is it. And that's it. I will be able to start even enabling edits. And as you can see, that was our spreadsheet. And here we are. We actually opened it or inserted or opened a PDF file on the insert the PDF file into the Excel. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.